Okay, another ethical theory is called subjectivism and cultural relativism theory. These quite simple theories, no, which are all subjective in nature. Now, subjectivism and cultural relativism theory. Well, subjectivism is amounts to the denial of moral principles of any significant kind and the possibility of moral criticism and argumentation. In essence, right and wrong lose their meaning because so long as someone thinks or feels that some action is right, then there are no grounds for criticism. So subjectivism is dependent on the person doing the action and to the person looking at the action. So with respect to the morality of it all, it is dependent on the person doing the action and to the person looking at the action. On the other hand, cultural relativism is very closely linked to subjectivism. It implies that we cannot criticize the actions of those in cultures other than our own. And again, it amounts to the denial of universal moral principles. Also, it implies that a culture cannot be mistaken about what is right and wrong, which seems not to be true at all times, no? And so it denies the possibility of moral advancement, which can also be quite difficult to attain. Now, given this subjectivism and cultural relativism, we cannot have a general moral principle or governance to follow. Now, we cannot say in general that these people are doing this because, okay, they are like that. No, we can always say they are right, we can always say they are wrong, no, because it's subjectivism. Maybe in their culture, maybe in what they believe in, it's wrong or it's right, you know, ironic to what we believe in. So I have here some examples: discrimination between ethnic groups and the Muslim women participation in sports, no. So if you can see, in terms of discrimination between ethnic groups, most of the time, no, they are being associated with their ethnic minority group. So pag blacks ka, more on track and field, and so on. Pag ganito ka, dapat meron kang kinabibilangang kultura kung saan na nadja-judge yung iyong action and based from where you came from, and at the same time, it cannot be said wrong or right. Now, another thing is the thinking of genders in sports, no? That the male-dominated sports like basketball, judo, taekwondo are only for boys, no? Well, in fact, no, it's not, no. So we really have to sort of have everything in order to have a general, universal notion of what is right and what is good. The Muslim women participation in sports, no, we cannot say it's right, we cannot say it's wrong. Some people or from the Muslim countries will say that you should not, or Muslim women should not participate in any sports at all. Okay, but some other Muslim countries do support, no, women participating in sports. We cannot say one is good other than the other or bad rather than the other. But the thing is, these are all subjective in nature. And that is what you call the subjectivism and cultural differences theory, no, in sports. Now, very simple to understand. Okay. So if you have questions, let me know and just send me a message. I'll see you on the next one.